Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Metamask to Kraken in 2025. If you're holding USDT in your Metamask wallet and want to move it to Kraken for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks like fees and potential losses, so double-check everything before you proceed. First things first, make sure you have Metamask installed and set up on your browser or mobile app. Open it up and confirm that your USDT is in your wallet. USDT is a stablecoin tied to the US dollar, so it's great for transfers without wild price swings. Next, head over to Kraken's website and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly, it's free and secure. Once logged in, go to the Deposit section. Select USDT as the asset. Kraken supports USDT on the Ethereum network, so ensure your Metamask is connected to the Ethereum blockchain. Now, copy the deposit address provided by Kraken. This is a unique string of characters. Treat it like gold because it's specific to your account. Back in Metamask, switch to your USDT token. Click on Send, and paste the Kraken address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but leave a little extra for network fees to avoid any issues. Before hitting send, review the transaction details. Check the gas fees if you're on Ethereum. They can vary based on network congestion. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll see a pop-up to approve it with your wallet password or biometric auth. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, check your Kraken balance to confirm the USDT has arrived. If anything goes wrong, like a wrong address, you might lose your funds, so always verify twice. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Metamask to Kraken in 2025. This method keeps your assets moving smoothly in the evolving crypto world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Stay safe out there and happy trading.